In this video, we're going to be looking at inverse operations and reciprocals. Okay, a reciprocal is when we divide 1 by a number or you flip the fraction. So, let's start with an example. We have the number 5 and we've been asked to reciprocate it. So what we will do is we'll do 1 divided by 5, which gives us 1 over 5. Remember, when we have the division sign, we can write it as a fraction. This would be our reciprocal. And whenever we multiply the reciprocal by the number, in this case 5, we will always get 1. Okay, and when we have a fraction, we're going to flip it. So we have 2 over 5, we just flip it over, giving us 5 over 2. You may want to write this as a mixed number fraction, so that would be 2 and 1 over 2. Okay, here we have another one, but given in mixed number. So we do 2 times 2, which is 4, plus the 1 here, giving us 5. So that will be 5 over 2, and then we'll simply reciprocate it, giving us 2 over 5. Okay, I would like you to try this question. What is the reciprocal of 9, 5 and 12? And how many 2/5 are there in 1? Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers for the first question, and here are the answers for the second question. Okay, now we're going to look at inverse operations. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations. Let's see how we can prove this. Here I've written 10 plus 5 gives 15. Now using inverse operations, we could answer these two questions. 15 minus 10 gives 5. We are reusing the numbers already given to us, but writing it in a different way. 15 minus 5 gives 10. We are using the inverse operation to work out these questions. Multiplication and division are also inverse operations. So here I have 4 times 6, which gives 24. Now using the inverse operation, we can work out this, which is 4, and this, which is 6. We are working out the answers to these questions by using the numbers already given to us. Okay, hopefully you're confident in questions on inverse operations and reciprocals. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.